What's up everyone, Anthony Anderson here, and in today's video I want to talk about the 3 key reasons you are not getting referrals back from CPAs. As a way of introduction, I'm co-founder of Elite Resource Team. We've taught thousands of financial advisors all across North America how to build profitable and sustainable relationships with CPAs. And so let's talk about these issues here. There's 3 key issues I want to touch on today. The first one is, what is the CPA's #1 problem? Hopefully you know this already, but it is time. That is a statistic. In all of their surveys, the #1 issue they face is not having enough time to actually build relationships with clients like they would hope, to bring enough value to clients, to do enough proactive and holistic planning. Now think about this. You giving a CPA a referral for a tax return is actually doing what? It's making the problem a little bit worse. They already have, very likely, hundreds of clients that they're doing tax returns for. So just getting one more tax return is really not moving the dial at all from a revenue perspective, and it's just making the time problem a little bit worse. Next, they have other sources of referrals as well. And this isn't just financial advisors or insurance. This is also people like attorneys, bankers, real estate agents, and on and on. So they are actually getting dozens of referrals every year for new tax return clients. So unfortunately, what you end up looking like is just kind of the same as all of these other professionals. That's not a good bucket to be in. And then third is, at the heart of this referral relationship is kind of a lose-lose proposition for the CPA. And let me explain what that means. Let's say the CPA does give you a referral. Hey, you do a great job. Well done. Who gets the credit for that? You do, right? The client's happy with you. In a weird way, let's say you don't do a good job. Who gets blamed for that? The CPA does. And I've seen this happen dozens of times with other professionals. The CPA actually gets blamed for giving that client a referral to you. So best case scenario is really what I would refer to as status quo. Status quo. And by the way, solving this problem is not just sharing in revenue. That's like the tip of the potential solution here. Really, what you want to do is focus on bringing value. So out of all of the relationships we've seen develop, it is not luck, it is not guesswork, it is the fact that the financial advisor or the insurance agent has really taken the time to understand how to bring the CPA value. And how do you do that? You do that by being different. And here's the trick with being different. You ready? In order to be different, you actually have to genuinely be different. Meaning you can't just go in there with a proprietary product or a better investment model or a company that you represent. That's not genuinely being different. That's what everybody else is saying. And so in order to genuinely be different, what you need to do is learn, how do I bring value? How do I work with you in a way that actually addresses all 3 of these core issues that the CPA has? You address their issue of time. You don't just add to that problem. You actually separate yourself from all of these other professionals. You don't just look the same. And third, you address at its heart this lose-lose proposition. And no, like I said, it's not just sharing in commission. That might be a part, or that might not be a part of it. It's actually being much more focused on becoming a partner. So think about it like this. If you're in a referral relationship, that's really kind of like a you scratch my back and I'll scratch your back, right? What's in it for you? What's in it for me? A relationship is actually very different. A partner-focused relationship is what's best first and foremost for the partnership. Because ultimately what's best for the partnership is then best, by definition, for both of the individuals. So when you can truly focus on becoming a partner to the CPA, then you can actually work with one another in a way that addresses these issues by allowing you to focus on your strengths and them to focus on their strengths. If you liked this video, go ahead and like it and subscribe to our channel as we go through all types of information like this. And also, if you're interested in learning more about this, how to truly become more of a partner with a CPA where you're able to build more of that profitable, that sustainable relationship, we do have a free 20-minute video that I've also done on that. We'll post that in the description below. That's it for today. Hope you found it valuable.